I am so excited to recognize Hudson Pacific Properties for achieving LEED Gold certification for Harlow at the Sunset Las Palmas studio. 20 plus years ago, when USGBC created LEED, we created a universally agreed upon holistic system for reducing environmental impact and providing a quality indoor environment, always with the goal of reducing carbon emissions, addressing climate-related risk, and improving human health and wellness. Today, we have more than 106,000 plus registered and certified LEED commercial projects, 2 million plus registered and certified residential units, projects in 181 countries and territories, and 205,000 plus LEED APs developing, contributing, and implementing the LEED rating system across the world. With LEED version 4.1, we have raised the energy reference standard, added a carbon metric, and most importantly, increased our emphasis on performance, demonstrating that LEED is more than a plaque to display on your wall, but a symbol of leadership and a dedication to the global vision for a healthy and resilient future. A future that relies on our investment in each other. Which is why USGBC is an inclusive and diverse community of real estate developers, contractors, architects, engineers, educators, innovators, advocates, facility managers, public health professionals, and so many more, all working together to build sustainable, healthy, equitable, and resilient communities for all. As a USGBC member and LEED adopter, you are helping to support our mission and ensure that future. Especially during this time, your commitment to ensure the health and safety of the employees at Harlow is inspiring. This pandemic has made clear the inextricable link between human health, the environment, and the economy. Your leadership will provide invaluable support for our healthy people in healthy places equals a healthy economy vision and inspire many around the world to pursue this vision, rebuild people's trust in indoor spaces, and contribute to the global recovery effort. Advancing Hollywood's revitalization efforts, Harlow continues in the tradition of blending the neighborhood's rich legacy with modernity for today's leading creative companies. An evolution that has bolstered community development and vitality and demonstrates how thriving urban environments can be built for the long term. The greenhouse-inspired architecture, natural light-filled workspaces, and high-efficiency technologies create an enhanced indoor environment for the tenants and employees who will come to work there every day. It is my distinct honor to recognize Harlow for achieving 64 points, earning LEED Gold Corential certification. Thank you to Victor Coleman, Natalie Tier, Vertical Group, Hudson Pacific, Riaz Clemente Hale, House & Robertson Architect, McCormick Construction, and everyone on the development, construction, engineering, and property management teams who work together to embed sustainability in every aspect of this project. Congratulations.